Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with power and access. Plug the camera into a reliable outlet and make sure the LED shows a steady power indicator. Next, open the Victure app to note the camera name and current Wi-Fi network so you can reconnect after a reset. If the camera uses a reset pin, prepare a paperclip or SIM tool. This is necessary to reach the recessed button. Once done, power cycle the unit once by unplugging for 10 seconds to clear transient errors before the hardware reset. You now perform the factory reset. Insert the paperclip and press the reset pin firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly or you hear a voice prompt. This signals factory defaults are triggered. Make sure the camera stays powered the whole time. Removing power mid-reset can corrupt firmware. After releasing, watch for the reboot sequence and a change in LED behavior, which indicates the device is broadcasting its default SSID, so you can reconnect via the app or setup wizard. You finish by reconnecting. Open the Victure app, choose Add Device, select the camera's default SSID, and enter the default password if prompted. This reestablishes the link so you can reconfigure settings. Once connected, restore any saved settings or set preferences anew and test the live stream and motion alerts to confirm operation. If you run into issues, try rebooting your router, move the camera nearer to the AP, and repeat the reset. If problems persist, you may have a hardware fault and should contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.